Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to go over a comment that I got from someone in my comments, you guys. They said that the Credit One Bank is not the easiest credit card you can get because they got a hard inquiry with Experian. Now, I'm going to go over why I think this still is an easy credit card to get, and I'm going to go over other credit cards that you guys can get. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments because that's how I'm making more videos. I'm looking down the comments and I'm just pushing out videos educating you guys. So make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right on into the video. So Credit One Bank to me is like the easiest credit card that you can get, or one of the easiest credit cards you can get. And the reason why I say it's easy for you guys to get is because it is. I see people get this credit card 1 month after filing bankruptcy. So if you can get this credit card a month after filing bankruptcy, that's an easy credit card to get. It's not going to be like a guaranteed approval though. You know, a guaranteed approval will most likely be secure credit cards, but it's still a credit card that you can get to get through the door. So they have different credit cards that you guys can get too. And when you want to apply for any of these credit cards, I just suggest that you guys go ahead and click right here and see if you pre-qualify. Now, they are going to pull your Experian credit report, and a lot of people don't even know what their Experian credit score is, but you can get the Experian app, and they'll give you your credit score for free and your credit report every day. So all you have to do to apply for this credit card is go ahead to see if you pre-qualify is put your first and last name in, put your mailing address, put your email address, phone number, social security number, your date of birth, and your monthly income. Usually you guys will see yearly income, but your monthly income. So if you want to know what your yearly income is, maybe you want to see what's on your W-2 and divide it by 12. And you go, or not divided by, well, yeah, you can divide it by 12. Divide it by 12, and then that will be your monthly income. Or find out how much you get paid every 2 weeks, and then multiply that. And you should just go ahead and multiply that by 2 and put that number here. Now, they do not usually ask for verification of income unless your application just seems so out of whack. So keep that in mind, you guys, when you apply for this credit card or any other credit card. But you guys go ahead and check it out. I see a lot of people get this credit card. I see people with bad credit get this credit card, and it was a great credit card for them to start off with. So if you guys need a credit card, definitely check them out. Now, another company that has easy credit cards is a Capital One. Capital One got the Platinum MasterCard, they got the Quicksilver, and they got the Journey Student Rewards. To me, all of these credit cards right here, they're easy credit cards. These two was the first 2 credit cards that I got, you guys. And I think I started off with like a $300 limit, a $500 limit. So definitely check them out. Now, Capital One, they're going to try to pull 2 of your credit reports, if not 3 of them. So definitely go ahead and read the different credit cards. Like this one right here, they have an annual fee for this one. These 2 don't have an annual fee at all. An annual fee means every year you have to pay $39 just because you have this card. Now you can offset that $39 because you got 1.5% cash back. It's an easy credit card that you guys can get in the door with, and that's why I suggest you guys get it. Now, if you cannot get like the regular credit card with Capital One, so if you try to get these 2 and they deny you, I suggest that you just try to get their secure credit card. If your credit is that bad that you cannot get a leg up, and when I say a leg up, say if you're trying to apply for credit card, it's been months, you're not getting it. To me, you're wasting time because you could have got a secure credit card and it could have boosted your credit score the same way a regular credit card could have boosted your credit score. And now you wasted time. So now you have to finally go ahead and get started, and you have to wait to start building history. So if you guys cannot get a regular credit card, I suggest you guys try to just get the secure credit cards. Now, this secure credit card right here, they're going to give you a $200 line of credit. But depending on your credit, you may not have to put the full $200 down. With secure credit cards, whatever your line of credit is, whatever your limit is, that is the amount of your deposit. So if your credit score is not that bad, you know, Capital One may say, oh no, just put $49 down instead of $200. Or they may even tell you to put $99 instead of $200. Now, I helped my uncle get this credit card years ago when I was helping him build his credit, and he got this credit card, and I think he only had to put the $99 down. So if you guys interested in this credit card, definitely go ahead and check it out. Now, I want to talk to you guys about some more secure credit cards. Now, the Open Sky credit card, this is a credit card that I still have my Open Sky credit card. got it a long time ago, but I still have this credit card. This credit card right here, it can help you get your foot through the door. It's a secure credit card that will approve anybody. So you guys can go ahead and apply for it. So just go ahead and click apply now. Your deposit will be between $200 and $3,000. So, with the Capital One, you only can have a $200 credit card. With this one, you can have up to $3,000, a $3,000 limit. So you can go ahead and choose the amount that you want to get. I got a text message from a client saying they got $1,000 Open Sky credit card. I do suggest that you guys get a secure credit card, but if you're going to put that much money down, I'm going to tell you guys later on what I suggest you guys do with $400 of that. Instead of getting a $1,000 credit card, maybe you'll get a $600 credit card. Just get the $200 and put that money into other accounts that can really boost your credit score. But like I said to you guys, you go ahead and fund your credit card, and they will go ahead and send it to you. And they don't check your credit, so it's no credit check. So you should go ahead. You should be able to get approved no matter what state you're in. Now, another credit card you guys can think about getting is the credit builder card. Now, the credit builder card, you only can, put a $200 deposit down. So you only have a $200 credit card, but they will allow you to have two of them. So you guys can apply. So when you apply, they'll ask you, hey, would you like to have two credit cards? You can say yes, and then your deposit will be $400 compared to here. You only get one credit card, and it's between $200 and $3,000. So you get to pick the amount. Here on the credit builder card, you'll be able to get two credit cards with a $200 deposit. So that would be $400. Now, the best thing I like about the credit builder card is that they're going to report in 2 weeks. So when I say they're going to report within 2 weeks, I mean they're going to report quickly, you guys. I've seen a lot of clients sign up for this credit card, and they report, and their credit scores go up because now they have a new account that is going to report to the credit bureaus that they're paying on time. So look at this right here. Somebody said that they went from 570 to 620 when they got this credit card. And in just 3 months, my credit went up 75 points. These are some results that they actually have on their website. But I haven't seen firsthand people get this credit card and their credit score go up. Now, if you're in Wisconsin or certain states, they do not allow you to get this credit card, but go ahead and apply, and they'll tell you right away that you cannot get it, just because I don't know the exact states that they will go ahead and deny. I want you guys to just go ahead and apply and see if they deny you for it. And it's not going to be a hard pull because they're not going to check your credit score. Just like Open Sky, they're not going to check your credit score. So I wouldn't, if they deny you, I wouldn't be too concerned. Just go to the next thing. Do not take denials too seriously, you guys. Literally, do not take it too seriously. Now, if you like Rickita, I am not in a secure. I don't need secure. I can get some type of credit card. My credit's not that bad. Then won't you try to get the Indigo credit card? Now, I heard clients say that I think the highest limit that you can get with an Indigo credit card, I think it's like $300. That's what I heard clients say, that you cannot get an increase with, and that will be the highest that you can get. But when you get these credit cards, you guys, this is just to get you through the door. I always tell people to get 4 credit cards, and this can be one of them. Keep the balance below 5%. So if you get that $300 credit card, you shouldn't spend more than $15 on it, and you should pay every month. And as you keep paying every month, your credit score should jump up, jump up, jump up. And as it jump up, then you'll go ahead and apply for better credit cards. But this is just to get you through the door. It's kind of like when you moved into your first place. You didn't get the best place. You just went out there, you got something, and then you moved up from there. As you start growing, you start making more money, then you moved up. So when your credit scores start going up, then you can go ahead and keep this credit card, or you can cancel it in a few years. I say keep it on there for at least 6 months after you have all the credit cards you want to get. And then you can go ahead and cancel this credit card. But definitely just looking to see if you want to get this credit card. And if you guys tried the shopping cart trick before, then I want you to try to see if you if you received a mail-in offer. When you guys try to do the shopping cart trick, and if you guys don't know what the shopping cart trick is, go ahead and check out my channel. It's where you can get credit cards without them checking your credit reports and your credit scores. They may send your offer in the mail saying, hey, you're being pre-approved for the Indigo credit card. You can get that offer with Credit One Bank. I've seen it a lot. See, accept the mail-in offer. You can also get it with Capital One too, because they have mail-in offers. So you click right here where it says see if I'm pre-approved. Now, Open Sky is a secure credit card, so you don't have it there, and the credit builder cards, you don't have it there. But the Indigo card, they do have that, and then the next credit card I'm going to tell you about, they do have it too. So you guys can try to see if you can get pre-approved. If you pre-qualify for this with a mail-in offer, you can go ahead and just click apply, and then go ahead and put in, you should have an invitation number and your zip code. And then they should go ahead and accept you and get you into this credit card. Now, another credit card you guys can get with the mail-in offer, and I'm going to show you at the end the form that you guys can fill out so you can start getting a lot of offers in the mail for credit cards, is the Mission Lane credit card. Now, I see a client have this credit card on their credit reports, and their credit scores went up a lot, you guys. And when I say a lot, that's because they didn't have any credit. And I told them, hey, just get your foot through the door so that you can go ahead and have something reporting to the credit bureaus. And it looks like they have an app too, which is really nice. But you guys definitely go ahead and check them out. But remember, when you're looking at getting any of these credit cards where, you know, it's easy to get them, just keep in mind you may have an annual fee that may not be so great, and your interest rate on your credit card may not be so great. But definitely, you guys, you can go ahead and you have to join the waiting list for this credit card, or you can respond to a mail-in offer. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to get the mail-in offer so that you can get this credit card. You can possibly get the Indigo credit card. You can apply for the Capital One credit card and the Credit One Bank credit card. Now, remember I told you guys with Open Sky, hey, the client said he put $1,000 down as a secure credit card. I made a video showing you guys how I paid $95 to start with this company. I had to buy something for $100, but they reported a $5,000 credit card onto my credit report, you guys, which is really good. You want them to report, a high limit credit card. So instead of the Open Sky, you only get whatever you put down. They put the $1,000 down. They only got a $1,000 credit card. I would suggest you guys sign up for the New Coast Direct. So you're looking to spend about $200, but you'll have you have a $5,000 credit card on your credit report, which is really good. Now, I got a few questions from a few people in my comments asking, hey, I applied for, it's two different credit cards you can get. You can get the New Coast Direct, or you can get the My Jewelers Club. And it's the same thing, you guys. This one you have to pay $99 and not $95. But you have to buy some for $100, and they're going to post a $5,000 credit card. I signed up for both of these credit cards. Now, they were saying, hey, how long is it going to take for it to report to the credit bureaus? So when I talked to the company, I say like a year ago, I talked to them about a year ago, and they said that they only report, I think, from the 1st to the 15th, and you have to make sure you got your order the month before. So if you have not received your order, then they may not report until after you receive your order. And remember, they only report from the 1st to the 15th. Now, with me, when I bought something from them, you guys, let me tell you my situation. It took them longer to report for me because I got it sent to my P.O. box. And when I got it sent to my P.O. box, which I believe they say you can't get stuff sent to your P.O. box, but I know the trick to get stuff sent to a P.O. box. I did not go pick it up, so it was just sitting there. I guess they got to confirm that I got it. So until I actually went and got it from the P.O. box, they did not mark it as shipped. Until it's marked as shipped, they would not think about posting it on your credit reports. So make sure you guys actually get the item and make sure it's marked as shipped or as received. Actually, not shipped, but just received, you guys. Delivered. So if it's marked as delivered or received, then they're going to report to the credit bureaus, you guys. But this is a $5,000 credit card they can add, and this is a $5,000 credit card. So when I applied for both of these credit cards, it was about $400, but I have $10,000 worth of new credit cards on my credit reports, which help with my utilization. Now, remember I told you guys about the shopping cart trick and these credit cards that you can get mail-in offers for, right? What you guys have to do to get those mail-in offers is you have to go to Factor Trust. You have to opt in. Don't opt out, but opt in. And when you opt in, you're basically saying, hey, I want to get some credit card offers. Go ahead and let all the credit card companies know that I'm trying to get credit card offers. And that's when you're going to start getting so many credit card offers in the mail, insurance offers in the mail, and you'll also get offers for loans and like payday loans. But make sure you guys keep this in mind. You do not want to go crazy and get so many credit cards that you cannot manage. So please use this responsibly. Please use it responsibly. So for the Factor Trust, I want you to put your first and last name in here. Put your social security number, put your date of birth, and put your address in here and your email address, and click confirm. After you go ahead and put that in, it's going to take 5 to 7 business days for them to have your information in the system. Once your information is in the system, you should be able to try to do the shopping cart trick. And I'm pretty sure you got a pop-up for the shopping cart trick. So you can try the shopping cart trick, and you can wait to see if you're going to get offers in the mail. Now, another company I want you to do, I want you guys to do the Factor Trust. There's one more company just to make sure that you're in the system. I want you guys to do the pre-screen, so the opt-out pre-screen. But I want you guys to opt in. So go down to the bottom, click here to opt in or opt out. And we want to make sure that we're opting in. Click continue. Go ahead and put your first and last name in, social security number, date of birth, your address, and your telephone number. Go ahead and do the security code they have right here. So IWHEI7YC, just in case people are like, hey, I don't know if I can see that correctly. Go ahead and put your security code right here and then click confirm. And like I told you about Factor Trust, you have to wait 5 to 7 business days for you to be all the way in the system, but they're going to go ahead and send your information to the credit card companies, and they're going to send you offers. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and like this video, share with some family and friends, and make sure you guys are subscribed. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop those questions down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. And remember, you guys, if you guys want me to look at your credit reports to see if there's anything I can help you with in terms of giving you any suggestions on credit cards, or even just telling you how you could possibly remove any negative items, go ahead and make sure you guys call or text me at 833 Rickita. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.